Well, I want to get me opinionated peeps. So people right now, sections of Jamaica is washing away. Seriously. We know say, the weather forecast has said that a hurricane is traveling and stuff. And because of that, Jamaica I get some serious rain. And the rain is causing a lot of severe landslides in the island of Jamaica. Right? And we are talking about different parts of Jamaica. It's not only one part this is happening. Right? Because we see several videos surfacing on social media, right, of persons showing the condition Jamaica is in, right? Even in one video, me hear one person say, boy, this is what you get when you vote Labour, right? But me not feel like the politics thing need for dry night. You understand what me I say? But me just want, please ask people to stay safe during this time. You understand? And if you know you're in an area, in a community that is prone to flooding, try to evacuate as soon as possible and get out of there. Because, listen, nothing is more valuable than life. Right? And you may be there and say, boy, me nah left my house, me nah left my things, them, me nah left my furniture, them, me carry them and this and that. But here what? Your life is way more valuable. So if you have to run we left them, run we left them. Because we don't want another incident like what happened the other day with the father and the daughter to happen again. You see how that was? The house get washed away and take with the two of them in it. You understand? That was a sad situation right there, and we don't want that to happen again. So people, let's take a look at some of the videos where surface online, and you'll be able to see the floodings and the landslides occurring in Jamaica. Let's take a look. Talk me down in the comment section, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Zine, Magan.
This is in the vicinity of 9 Mile Bull Bay Beach Road. And this is coming from the main road. This is coming from the main road. So all of who live in Beach Road is currently trapped right now. Anybody should get sick or any emergency, a helicopter come here lift you. Nobody can move out of Beach Road right now.
When water come through my house, water come through people's door.
Yeah, so it go to vote for Labour.
That boy on the surf, man.
Gone.
Charlie light post gone. All the blood that light post.
No road, no pair, brother.
Baba, dog, go over there, man. Go down there, you're fuck.
Garden Town Road, there is no road. The wall is gone. The road is gone. Only persons who are walking can cross, and bikes. It is completely impassable by vehicles. Only motorcycles and those who are walking can pass. Completely impassable.
Live and direct from Freedom News. Blood out. Reporting live. This is what is taking place currently. Yeah.
Come on. What business up?
Lock the gate, Vince. Lock by the gate, yeah. Vince! Boss the fence! Come here, boss the fence here. Boss for the fence, yourself. That up. Boss for the fence, water go down. Boss for the fence, over time.
Yo!
Sorry, I'm not able to go live, but this is what the road look like at Garden Town. This is immediately after you leave out of village. And it's breaking. And I'm talking about some massive stones are coming down. Aye! Headbar! All being played out right in front of your eyes. Look at this, look at that. Here it comes.
This is very urgent in Garden Town. The main road in Garden Town is gone. Look at it. The main road is gone. The main road in Garden Town is gone completely at this moment. Everything is gone. It's just a walking track they leave on the main road. We need National Work Agency emergency. We need Miss Oldness. We need the Prime Minister. The main road in Garden Town has gone to the river.
Now, one thing me I say, you know, we appreciate the scenery. We appreciate that you now record the videos them so we can see where I go on. But me see one person come online and made a speech this morning, and I'm forced to agree with that person. The man say, here what people, who know we in these communities where the road them are broke way and the cliff them are fall way and you understand, and the house them are wash way and thing like that. We are go to do a record video and take pictures and thing like that. Even though we appreciate if you see it, here what, stay away from the road them when you see a broke way, you understand, and try if you stay safe, because you can try go close and take video and take picture, and at any given point the road can slip way, you understand. So please try if you stay safe, be careful, and don't put yourself in harm's way. Watch on the man people, I don't know this guy, I'm going to talk to me in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button, see?
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.